This one is the generate speech. So this is very useful for storytelling or for your games, for the gamers, uh, and also for editing audio clips. So how to do it? So here in the upper part of the software, in the effects part, you will see, go to the generate, and then you're going to choose if you would like to generate noise, speech, or tones. Okay, so for now we're going to choose generate speech. So the title of this, let's see, boy sound, the boy. So we're going to do a short script, okay, which features different kinds of characters and voices. So for the characters, we will have a boy, we will have a girl, we will have an old lady or a witch. We're going to use the voice of the software to generate voices. So we will not use any human voice. We're going to use digital voices. And then we're going to use some effects using the effect rack and some signal processors. Okay, so here, so first thing we're going to create is the boy sound. So again, so maintain the 48,000 hertz channel mono, beat depth 32 float. So click OK, go to the effects, and then choose generate speech. Then you change the file name to boy. So we need a boy character. So, and then you're going to choose a preset. So here there are different kinds of voices from different countries. So what we're going to choose is to choose an English speaking guy. So here, Daniel, English from United Kingdom. And then click OK. And then you write the script you want to create. So here, I'm going to write, "Hey Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry. Please." There. So here you can change the speed if you want it fast, if you want it slow. So if you will go to the right, so it means it will be fast. If here to the left, it will be slow. Speaking rate, and the volume is in 200. And then let's play it.
Hey
Let's
Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry.
I'm,
Please.
I'm very hungry. Okay, so let's click OK. So there.
Hey Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to transform that old voice to a boy. So here in the effect track, so you can choose, this is the effect track. So we're going to zoom it out vertically. And then here, FX or the effects. So you just click the knob, toggle power state, click it, and choose effect. So here we're going to choose the pitch shifter. So here there's a lot of signal processors. So the basic are the amplitude and compression, where you compress the sound. So if it's too loud, you want to maintain the balance. So the compression is very helpful for you to balance the sound. So the delay and echo, if you want to, from the word itself, echo, if you like to repeat the word like hello, 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 hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you. That's how you use the delay and echo. So we have the filter and EQ. We have the modulation effect. So if you want to have an effect of more than one people talking, so we have the chorus, the flanger effect. The noise reduction restoration, that is an effect where if you recorded a sound where there's a lot of noise going on, so you can use this signal processor. Reverb, it's this is different from echo. Reverb is just like singing in a big hall. So there's a lot of preset you can choose. So for beginners, it's okay to use preset. Okay, so that's very this one. This is what good with the software because you don't need to press a lot of things or controls because there's already preset available. So but now to change the voice of the guy, we're going to use the pitch shifter. So there. So maybe we're going to shift the tones high, maybe to around 3 and then 100. Okay, so let's listen to it.
Is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry.
Okay.
Please. Hey Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry. Please. Hey Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry. Please. Hey Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry. Please. Hey Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry.
There you are. So, and then we're going to create a female voice. So let's go again to the effect rack and then let's generate speech and then click choose a file name. So the female voice. So, and then click OK. So, and then, so you can choose from the preset. So let's look for a female voice. Portuguese, Spanish, English. Karen from Australia. Okay, let's choose Karen. And then let's type the script. Okay, we can choose, we can write, Hi, Hansel. I'm sorry, Hansel. This food is enough for me. But since you're my brother, I will give you little. Okay? So it's in the second track. So we'll just need to drag it.
Hungry. Please. No, I'm sorry, Hansel. Please. No, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry, Hansel. This food is enough for me. But since you're my brother, you little.
And actually, you can change the speed of this by, if you see this thing, this triangle, if you move that, it will be very, very slow.
No, I'm sorry,
If you want it quick, you just need to move it and shorten it.
No, I'm sorry, Hansel. This food is enough for me. But since you're my brother, I will give you little.
So that is really cool. So there. Okay, for the last part, we'll just add one more voice. So generate speech. And let's try this old lady. Old lady. So choose a preset. Uh, Dutch, Russian. Where's other English speaking country here? English Ireland. Let's try this one. Okay. Oh, little kids. Little kids. Please come inside. I have something for you. I have a lot of candies. You can eat everything inside. Come, come. Actually, this is from, I'm just creating it. This is from Hansel and Gretel story. Okay, let's listen.
Little kids, please
Wait.
give you little. Little kids, please come inside. I have something for you. I have a lot of candies. You can eat everything inside. Come, come. Hey, Gretel.
Come,
Is
come.
that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very
Okay,
hungry.
let's stop it. Okay, so let's go here to the third track and let's go. Well, we're going to create a witch voice. Wait. Pitch shifter. So pitch shifter there. So we're going to maybe around 6 or 5. Let's listen. Let's listen.
Little kids, please come inside. I have something for you. I have a lot of candies. You can eat everything inside. Come. Alright, I have something for you.
Too much.
Little kids, please come inside. I have something for you. I have a lot of candies. I'm sorry, Hansel. This.
And actually, you can also use generate sound to add some background music or background effects. So generate sound, maybe the noise. Let's try. We called it background. Let's listen to this one. Actually, can change it. There's a color pink. It's like raining. White. The gray. So this one we can choose this one. It's like in a forest. Okay. Okay, we're going to oops. We're going to put it in the fourth track. Okay, so we need to zoom it in so we can clearly see the audio clips. Not too much. There. And then you control the volume there. Just a background.
Hey Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry. Please. I'm sorry, Hansel. This food is enough for me.
So if you want to, yeah, you can stretch it.
Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry. Please. I'm sorry, Hansel. This food is enough for me. But since you're my brother, I will give you little. Little kids, please come inside. I have something for you.
We can copy this one. Command copy and paste it. Command copy and command paste. Command V. If you want to copy, command C and command paste. So this one, so this we have here. So we just need to put it here till here.
Little kids, please come inside. I have something for you. I have a lot of candies. You can eat everything inside. Come. Hey, Gretel, is that a food? Can you give me some of it? I'm very hungry. Please. Thanks.
So there you are. So there's a lot of things you can do in Adobe Audition. So that's just few of it, just some of it. Okay, so you can use your imagination and creativity in creating a story or edit your videos and other stuff. So that's all for today. So we still have more lessons to come. So have a great day. Thank you very much. This is Professor Ryan Manal.